What have we got? Where are the oranges, Carlos? Where are the oranges? Thank you. Want the water? Where's the oranges? Let's go have a look at the oranges. You see all the nice food you've got in the kitchen? Oranges. Oh. There's a lot of oranges, aren't there? Yeah. One for me. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, too many. Have them back, please. There you go. Very nice. No, they're not for throwing. They're for drinking. No. No. Pick them up, please. Da. Muy bien. No. Ah. Thank you. Oi! You're full of trouble. No! No! Put them back, please. Put them back where they were. Go on. Good boy. You put this one back. Carlos, take this one. Thank you. Put that one back, please. No. Oi! Sorry. I think I might have to move those oranges now, Carlos.